Do you want to learn how to enable VPN in Opera GX browser? In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your traffic and routes it through a secure server, hiding your IP address and location from the websites you visit. This can help to protect your privacy and security online, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks. Click the Settings icon. Then click Features. Under VPN, toggle on the Enable VPN switch. You have three options: enable what you need. Enable internet sites by bypassing VPN. Enable default search engines by bypassing VPN. Connect to VPN when starting browser. Once the VPN is enabled, you'll see a blue VPN badge in the left side of the address bar. You can click on this badge to turn the VPN on and off, and to select a virtual location. Once you've enabled the VPN, you can browse the web with confidence, knowing that your traffic is encrypted and your privacy is protected.